I'm John Beaton. We're here at Fairhaven Farm, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about how we care for our soil, and we're going to demonstrate how to take a soil sample. Really, what you're growing is soil. That's what you should be focusing on, is feeding your soil and growing good soil and nurturing the life in the soil. That in turn will give you strong, healthy plants. So in terms of a soil sample, really all you want is just a cup or so of soil from a variety of spots within the garden. We're just going to dig down just a couple inches. We're going to get a nice little scoop of soil. That's the space that the biological activity is taking place, is in the top couple inches. And we're going to put that in our bag. And really, we're going to want to make sure that that bag is kind of sterile. We don't want to put our hands in there. We don't want to put anything else in there. So we're going to seal that up. Mail that to the outfit that's processing your soil sample. So one thing that your soil test is going to analyze for is organic material. And this is a very critical component in your soil. And just an example of organic material is right here. We have bits of straw. We have some green plant, which what I would consider in this instance a cover crop. And as this material gets incorporated into the bed, and as the straw breaks down, this is what's feeding the soil biology. So that's really critical and sometimes an overlooked component of soil health. It's not simply a matter of adding nutrients, it is giving the soil biology an opportunity to give your plants nutrients.